Now we have done with your P, isn't it? Your letter P and your sound for that letter, you're done. So now I want again for us to refresh with these 5 letters once again. Okay, there are 5 letters once again which you have learned, that is S, A, T, I and P. We have learned up to P. So once again, shall we please refresh with all these children? Yes. Now again, your S and your sound. Now when I tell you S, I want you to try the sound over there. Okay, I want you to try your sound before I could tell you. Okay children, so you will try that. Now I'm saying S. Can you please try what is the sound? Yes, did you get it correct? Did you do it correctly? Once again, I will tell you the letter, you will try out the sound. Alright, so when again after that, when I tell you the sound, you should check whether you got it right. Alright, again S and S. Did you get it right? Good. Now your next letter is A. Your next letter is A. And now before I say the sound, I want you to try the sound. A. Now shall I tell you what is the sound? It's A. Yes. Now did you get that also right? It's A. Yes, good. You got it right. Now your next letter is T. Now I'm telling you your letter, you will try out your sound. Now letter T. Now I'm going to tell you it's T. Yeah, did you get it right? Yes, it's T. Good, very good. Now your next one, it's I. So I want you to try out the sound now. I. Can you try out the sound? I'm giving you some time to try out the sound. Now I will tell you the sound. Now your letter I and your sound is Hey. Hey. Yes, you got it right? Good. Now your last letter is P, right? The last letter is P. So your sound. Now you will give it a try and your sound. Your sound is P. Your sound is P. You got it right? Good.